Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today I will cover Java switch statements. So let's get started. So instead of writing if else statement, we can use switch statement. Okay. It is also like a jump statement only. Okay. So what is the syntax of this switch? Then we will give the condition or our expression, and then it will check the case one. If it is true, then it will execute whatever we will write in this code block. Otherwise, it will break. Okay. Like this, it will check Y condition, and if not, then it will break. And then if all the conditions are false, then it will execute the default code which we will write in this code block. Okay. So the switch expression is evaluated once. So this switch expression which we will give now, it will be checked only once. Okay? The value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. I told her whatever the value, whatever result is there, so it will be compared with case 1, then case 2, then till case n. It will be compared. If anyone is true, then that will be printed. Okay, and if all are false, then it will go to default. If there is any match, the associated block of code is executed. The break and default keywords are optional, and we will okay, only this one default and this break are optional. We will tell you. So see, let me try this code. So day 4 we have given. Okay, so here switch condition value is 4, so it will go here match wrong, 2 match wrong, 3 match wrong, 4 as well match correct, then it will print Thursday. See, it printed. So we will change, we will give 90 value. Okay, then we will learn, it will print. Default case is not there. I think we should add default case and then we will check. Okay, like default. Okay, and this we can print first. We will write wrong input. Okay, default case you can move here. Okay, now we will run it. Now you should print this one, wrong input. Let's print. Okay, let's see, wrong input is printed. Like this you can print 7, then 7 value. 7 is Sunday, so Sunday should be printed. So like this each value will be printed. Okay, now move. When Java reach a break keyword, it breaks out of the switch block. This will stop the execution of more code case tensing inside the block. When a match is found and the job is done, it's time for a break. There is no need for more testing. A break can save a lot of execution time because it ignores the execution of all the rest of the code in such block. So this all the statement means it will stop the execution of the code. Okay. So okay, now we move to default. Default keyword specifies some code to run if there is no case match, like I have shown you before. We will run this also. Let's try. So 4 value we have given, but 4 is not there, then it should print this. That only they have told the use of default. Okay, so default is the last statement of this switch block, as it should not be broke. Okay, so like this we will give day here, case, and here we will give break. Now we will submit and check. So day, case, break. Now we will see correct we have given. Okay, so today we have completed this switch. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, please do like my video and subscribe, do share, and you have any question, please comment. Okay, bye.